We are going to be cooking pork tenderloin tonight. It is officially the warmest day of January at about 49 degrees. And here's what we got to look at. Can you think of anything better? And that's how you get a fire started. It helps that you got a good grill. All right. We got our pork tenderloin, seasoned it in our Tones Rosemary Garlic Seasoning. We're going to put it on for 10 minutes aside on the Kamado Joe for a total cook time of 20 minutes. And then we will be good to go. That's just awesome. So one of the secrets to a good pork tenderloin is good seasoning, but it's also to keep the temperature at 400 degrees. And I do 10 minutes per side. So I'm gonna show you that. 400 degrees. Do it for 10 minutes and then flip it over and do it for another 10 minutes at 400. The smell is awesome. Sounds awesome. All right. Looks beautiful. There you go. That's all you got to do. We're going to put it on there for another 10 minutes at 400. All right, we're about to pull this pork tenderloin off. Just wanted to thank the folks at OG Construction for building this killer patio. Yeah? You want a killer patio like this for your Kamado Joe? OG Construction is the place to go. And we have awesomeness. 20 minutes, good to go. Just gonna close the vents on this a little bit, let a little residual cook occur, and we are good to go. Awesomeness is what we have, and that's how you do pork tenderloin on the Kamado Joe.